This repo is called Clipcart, and the idea is pretty clear right away. Turn long, live-selling videos into short, shoppable clips tied to products.
The interesting part is the pipeline. I found a Flask app backed by Python code that uploads video to VideoDB, searches transcript mentions for products, cuts matching windows, and then generates marketing copy.
The app itself did start successfully on localhost 5000, so this isn't just a static mockup. The status endpoint came up as ready, and the clips endpoint returned an empty list before any run.
The blocker showed up when I tried the real pipeline.
It failed immediately because required API keys were missing, especially Moonshot or Kimi for copy generation, and VideoDB for processing.
So the honest tutorial takeaway is this. Clipcart is a video-to-commerce pipeline that transcribes, matches products, creates clips, and writes the final results to output clips JSON for the web UI.